IVMasters.com. Today we're going to the second question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 2B. This is the harder set of reading writing questions. Number 2 reads, which choice completes text most logical and precise word or phrase? Whenever you see the most logical and precise word or phrase, you know it's sentence completion. And so we want to look out for there's a synonym and the blank ready in sentence. There's something that comes after comma, semicolon, dash. It's going to tell you what goes blank. Worst comes to worst, we think of our own word or even put each answer to replace the original. Let's go to the passage. Within baleen whale species, some individuals develop an accessory spleen. Now, you might know an accessory would be like let's say an accessory in fashion would be like a belt or sunglasses. There's something that are not essential. You don't need a belt. You can wear pants without a belt. You can wear your face without sunglasses. So when it says accessory spleen, it means a spleen that's not really needed. So check this out. I'm going to start from the beginning again. Within baleen whale species, some individuals develop an accessory spleen, a seemingly functionless formation of splenetic tissue outside the normal spleen. So functionless doesn't do anything. Given the formation's greater prevalence among whales, no need to deep dives. What prevalence mean? Prevalent means widespread. So this spleen is on the whales more often when they make deeper dives. So given the formation's greater prevalence among whales, no need to make deeper dives, some researchers hypothesize that its role isn't. So I'm going to say it's a synonym functionless. It isn't functionless. And remember also we've got one class after comma, semicolon, dash. Tell you what goes blank. Got a semicolon there. Rather, the accessory spleen may actively support driving mechanisms. So you could say that actively is an opposite of the blank. So it's not inactive. It's not functionless. Functionless. So when we go to the answers, replicable means it's able to be replicated or reproduced. Like you have another one. That doesn't have to do with what we're talking about here. Predetermined isn't predetermined. It just means to be determined beforehand. Like your fate is sealed. What happens in the future is locked in, and you can't change it. Not correct either. So it isn't operative. That's actually the opposite of what we're looking for. That would be in operation. But we said that it means functionless. It's not functionless if it's active. So it's not inactive, it's active. So latent is going to be a correct answer. Latent means existing, but it's not doing anything. Like essentially it's functionless. So that's going to be your best answer. If you don't know these words, write them down. Vocabulary is always good. The chance of these exact words coming up again is actually kind of slim. But, expanding your vocabulary is always a great idea. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with sentence completions. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official GSS or SST or ACT, leave that comment section. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Check out our one-minute video. If you go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, go to the playlist. And then find your test and module number. And you'll see the shorter videos just below these longer videos. This is test 3, module 2B, the harder set of reading writing questions. Make sure you click subscribe and check out this other sentence completion question. Have a great day.